We wish you a very Merry
Yes, we
Christmas,
do.
and we're going to leave you with more from our friend Brian. Take it away.
You got it. It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you'd be a good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all, with those